Welcome to the Easy Computer Tech Fixit channel, and this is of course a channel where we talk about different types of technologies. I want to do a little update on a new feature that will be coming in the next version of Android that I think is actually a good idea. One of the biggest problems on Android will always has been security and the security around apps from the Play Store and revoking apps or revoking, the not only like having the app stop being distributed when something happens, but kind of revoking the app itself from your device. And in Android 11, they will be implementing a new feature that is oriented for the security, and it's that apps that are too old or that don't have any more updates for a long time, or that are deemed to be unsecure, will now have their certificate revoked. But that not only means that it's going to be, gone from the store, but it also means it won't work on your phone anymore. And I think this is a good thing because there are way too many apps that are left behind in the Android store. On Apple's side of things, there's a kind of a cleanup that they do regularly, and apps stop working after a while or after a couple of versions of iOS, which is a more complex thing here on Android. So I think that in terms of security, it's a pretty good idea that they will be doing this to make sure that there is more security in the apps on Android. So that will be a feature. I don't know why they haven't implemented that before. I know they can do it already, but this now would be kind of a standard with Android 11. So of course, Android 11 continuing to be tweaked and worked with developers. Once again, one of the new versions of Android that would be released by the end of this year. And one of the big features that I hope they will hold on and will actually push is the fact that every manufacturer would be forced to update the system when there's new updates for security and so on, which I think is a great idea. But will manufacturers follow? And that's the question. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.